Now let's go to the program and the weightage inside the program. As I said, the program is divided into three parts, 1, 2, and 3. And in all those three levels, you are basically checked upon 10 subjects. There are 10 core subjects which will keep rotating. The weightage of this will change when you're moving across the levels. So there, what are the 10 subjects? First, ethical and professional standard. You have quantitative methods, economics, financial statements, corporate issuers, equity investments, fixed income, derivatives, alternate and portfolio management, and wealth planning. So as we progress through the levels, the weightage and things change. Now, if you look at here on the quant side and on the FSA and corporate issuer side, in the level 3, you will see they have become 0. But technically, do they become 0? No, because when you're going for with portfolio management, the financial statements will come somewhere or the other. But institute is not checking you on those sides. They are predominantly working on the management of a portfolio. So the weightage is on portfolio management. So if you are planning, if you have a good plan to finish up your levels, you should study through the levels very, very properly. Because what is going to happen if you are just, trying to clear one, clearing is not easy. You have to clear all the benchmarks, all the subjects, plus you have to clear the overall benchmark. How does the benchmark come? Though there is no official guidelines into it, number of people who give the exam based on how they have performed, the benchmarks are decided. So here you will have different. I'm not going into this weightage things. Weightage things we'll talk about when we go about the level thing. So when we start into the training part of this L1, we'll be giving you what basically percentage comes. For example, ethical standards have, you can see, have nearly the same kind of weightage in all three levels. And that is what I was talking about few minutes back. Getting your ethical standards when one of you asked about having those certificates and proof of experience or proof of identity and everything. So they are very, very strong on the ethical and professional standard. Anything which goes wrong, they can cancel your membership then and there. And when you go to site, you can still find them. So this is how the entire thing is run. The weightage changes based on how we are looking into. But please keep in mind, it does not mean that if it is 0, you will not have a separate exam for it. But somewhere or the other, the concept will keep coming back to you. So this curriculum is something that you should understand the concept rather than just attempting in clearing the exam. Competitive exam, you might have few plus and minus running, but we'll make sure that you clear the exam. That's the objective running inside this entire thing. Now,